Okay, student, next fifth main, that is in question number 4, point C is called a midpoint of the line segment AB. Prove that every line segment has one and only one midpoint. Okay, assume that the points C and D are two different midpoints of line segment AB. Okay, what I considered here, C and D are the two different midpoints of the line segment AB. Okay, I will draw that on in the form of diagram here. See here, AB is a line segment and C is one midpoint and D is also another one midpoint. Okay, now if C is the midpoint of AB, okay, if C is the midpoint of AB, then what we will get? If C is the midpoint of AB, what we proved then? AC is equals to half of AB. Okay, why? Because proved in question number 4. Okay, we proved this in question number 4. This may be written as C here transpose 1 by 2 to LHS means what it will become? 2 times of AC is equals to AB. Call it as equation 1. Like that you consider D as the midpoint of AB. Yes, if D is the midpoint of AB, then AD is equals to, yes, AD is equals to half of AB, because reason, because proved in equation proved in question number 4. Okay, now this may be written as 2 times of AD is equals to AB. Call it as equation 2. Okay, from equation 1 and 2, from equation 1 and 2, on comparing, see here, LHS part from both equation 2AC we are having 2AD, RHS part AB we are having, and here also AB. RHS part are equal means this may be written as, from equation 1 and 2 may be written as 2AC is equals to 2AD. Okay, by cancelling 2 to both sides, what we left with? AC is equals to AD. Yes, by using axiom, the things which are double of the same things are equal to one another. Same things are equal to one another. Okay, this is possible only when, see here, this is possible only when C and D points coincide. Okay, C and D points coincides, that is C and D points are not two different points, those are only one point. Okay, that is C and D are not two different points. Okay, hence our assumption contradicts the axiom. Okay, hence our assumption, that is two different points is there na, it contradicts the axiom. Things which are double of the same things are equal to one another. Therefore, for every line segment having only one midpoint. Okay, exam. Therefore, every line segment has only one midpoint. Thank you.